What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace this. This is your hose valve. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Okay, here is the outdoor faucet, hose, bib, spout, or valve. It has many names. This is the one we're going to be working on today. So it is leaking from the stem, and maybe yours is dripping, or maybe the handle's broke. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and close our main water line valve, or the valve that isolates that outdoor faucet. Okay, now we're going to open it up to relieve the pressure. Now to remove it, you're going to need a large adjustable crescent wrench, or one of these monkey wrench, pipe wrench type things, or some large pliers. I'll put some links down in the description to all the tools. Now first, let me give you a few tricks to getting a stubborn one off. I went ahead and sprayed a little of this PB Blaster. You could use any rust penetrant on the threads back here yesterday. That'll help unlock a seized one. Also, we're going to take a normal hammer. We're just going to tap it around the threading, just lightly. This is going to help break up any corrosion. You could also heat the threads up with a small propane torch, or even pour boiling water on it. Okay, I'm going to try that large adjustable wrench first. Make sure we adjust it to fit nice and snug, and we're going to turn this counterclockwise. Not too bad, this one. You also want to be careful when you're turning it that this interior pipe doesn't start turning. If that happens, what you need to do is you need to grab it with the pipe wrench, that back pipe, and you're going to have to hold that while you twist the valve off. Or what will happen is you'll end up unscrewing that interior pipe. Large wrench really makes easy work of this. Then we can hand screw it off. There we go. Now sometimes these valves have the size written on the side, but it's best to take your old one to the hardware store so you make sure you get the new one. The one we're going to be replacing this one is a Silcock style, and see, this one has the sizing right here, 3/4. So we're going to go ahead and clean up the threads with a rag. If they're really mucked up, you could use a little wire brush on these threads. Now we're going to take some pipe tape, some plumber's tape, and we're going to wrap the threads about twice. We're going to wrap it clockwise. Clockwise because we don't want it to just back off when we unscrew the valve on. Then I like to use a little of this Pipe Dope thread sealant. You just put a little bit on the male side, this side right here. Not on the inside of the valve, just on this side. Just spread it on. Make it easier to come off next time too. Now we can spin our new valve on by hand, then finish it off with our wrench. And make sure it's nice and even. I ended up having to get another one. The other one had a crack in it, so another trip to the hardware store. Alright, we'll make sure this is closed, and we can go ahead and open our water line back up. And we can go ahead and inspect for leaks. Give it a little pressure. Check for leaks now around it. Around the back. Doesn't look like it's dripping a drop. Alright guys, and that is how to change your outdoor faucet. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and if you're new to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.